This is day 186 of startup. Had a rough start with the first user, but there's a reason why he did not give up, and that also I will tell in the end. First, I will just talk about the problems quickly that we faced. Interestingly, we imagined some difficult areas where there are most likely to be issues, but those areas actually got very smooth. They got over smoothly and we did not encounter any issues there. So they were mostly like we were worried about the problems in the live environment, in interruption handling, and but the ones that we expected did not happen. But interestingly, in the areas we did not expect, there were a lot of issues. Number one was we do our development in the Mac. I have Mac and my co-founder uses Linux, but the customer environment was Windows environment, so we created an exe for the Windows, but that exe took very long time to open up, almost a minute to open up, and then the whole application was running much more slowly. So that was really a bummer. Then another problem we faced was with the Google. We send when the customer makes a recording on software, it goes to the Google's DeepMind for creating a text transcript, and that was also very buggy. It was not giving accurate transcript, and the reason for that was like when we test in an environment which is very quiet, our home offices, but the customer was in a busy office which he shared with other employees, and so because of that noise, Google was creating giving a errorful transcript. Another issue was actually a big bug on our software where we were not able to handle interruption very well from the other side. Like if the customer is making a call and he is playing a recording on the call, and if the other person who's listening, the prospect, if he interrupts, then we were not able to handle correctly. So of course this was not the live call, we tested this through some role playing. Anyways, in sales, when someone makes any new script or joins a new enterprise or tries something new, they start with the role play. So that's what we started with this first user too. And yes, it was a little irritating, but the reason why customer will still stick to us, because this person is a new joinee in the company, who is the user, he's the end user, but the decision maker is really his managers. So we have a green light with both his manager and also the founder of the company, who want to actually try it out and who understand that we are a startup, so we might have some problems. So despite this end user not having the best experience with us, he was actually very supportive because he wanted to show that he is willing to learn, and he wanted us to give good reviews to his manager. So yeah, all good, nothing to worry. We resolved all of those problems later on, and those problems are resolved. Now we are looking forward to see how it goes next.